How to migrate WordPress site using plugin. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it's done. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, first, I just need to note that this is going to be for free, unless you have a huge website. Then in that case, you may need to actually go for the paid version. With that being said, we just want to begin by installing the plugin from our site. So we just want to go to the plugins section, go to add plugin. You want to search for all-in-one WP migration. So I just looked up all-in-one WP and you should be able to find it right here. It's this one, all-in-one WP migration and backup. So all you need to do is just click on install now and click on activate. So once it's actually done installing and activating, we simply just want to scroll down from our WordPress site and you should be able to find all-in-one WP migration. You simply just want to go to the export tab here. And what we want to do is just click on export site to, unless you want to adjust some options here, like if you want to exclude the media library or themes or plugins, you can just go ahead and check those. But I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on export site to. Actually, I'm just going to tick all of them just so it's going to be a lot lighter for me. So just click on export site to and select where you actually want to export the file to. I'm just going to export it to a file. And you simply just want to click on download the actual name of your site. So just go ahead and click on that. And this is just going to download it here for you. So this is the file that we need. It's going to be .wp or WPress basically. And this is the one that we will need with the other, where we actually want to migrate the site to. So on the other side of things, where you actually want to migrate the other site, you simply just want to open up the same thing. You want to go to plugins and install the same plugin, which is all-in-one WP migration. And once you have it, this time you simply just want to click on import. And once you click on import, you're just going to go ahead and click on import from and file, and you're just going to select the file that we have just downloaded, which is this one right here, wpress.wpress, as you can see. Click on open, and it's just going to actually import it for you. Now for me, because it's pretty much the same site, I did not actually go for another one. I'm just going to close, but you're just going to proceed with these steps. And once it's fully done, what you want to do is just go down to the settings with WordPress, and you just want to go to permalinks, scroll down to the bottom, make sure you save changes. Without changing anything, you don't really need to change anything. Just go ahead and click on save changes. And then you're just going to re-log in with your account that you are already logged into. So just log out and log in again, and you should be good to go. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.